today's symposium. Sir. Respected medical director, sir, respected seniors, and my dear friends. Today we are going to arrange one topic on diabetes. We have already discussed some quiz related common knowledge regarding the diabetes, and the first part may will discuss about the cardio diabetes challenges, and second part our guest speaker Dr. will speak on the challenges of the modern therapies, and Dr. Basu is on the way. So as we are talking about, diabetes is basically modern epidemics. Whenever Indian civilization was there, from the beginning there was some disease which always creating horror in the heart of this. And this time of 20th and 21st century, probably earlier it was plague, tuberculosis, asthma, and so on. And that has been infectious disease phase was there. But the modern time has been reached on such that we have reached on the modern day epidemic like your diabetes, cancer, and accident, road traffic accident. These are the killer diseases of this time of modern time. Coronary artery disease. So if worldwide around 17 crores, 170 millions people are from today, if estimation is there, International Diabetic Federation data is that among 50 crores, 5.8 crores population is still in India. And minded in 1990, when we are talking only 2 crores. So last 20 years, 3 crores of the newer diabetes has been increased in the society. So that this diabetes populations just the diabetes number of 17 crores towards the world, among 5 crores diabetes is not all as today's date. So why is known as the modern day epidemics. And there is a strong data is coming that in 2030 this data is going to be around 9 crores of the diabetes. Question is why it is increasing. If it is, can it be preventable? It is not only the burden for the home, every home's burden. It will ruin the organization of the healthcare system because of this disease is such that it will not prevent in the early phase. There is a huge financial loss going to be for the patients for point of view. And not only morbidity, mortality, both will increase of this. So before we go for that, we have discussed this gentleman has made this diabetes. This is the Bentic, West, and on experience we have already discussed regarding cardio-diabetic challenges, particularly my topic is this. What are the challenges we are facing? In view of this huge problem of dyslipidemia, hypertension, coronary artery disease, with heart failure, how to manage MI and its after angioplasty, revascularization in diabetes, various type of illness. These are the common challenges what we are facing. And minded, we have more than around 4,000 diabetic patients here in our hospital. We are regularly continuously monitoring for that. And it is a big challenge for not. Only one phase is crossing second phase, it is taking huge amount of our finances, and it is not going to solve their problem because it is such a disease that it will always progress. It is not that it will be finished after 3 days, 5 days, or what we have faced in infectious disease eras. So that's why